It is just before 10, and we are in the Mount Oak campground in the Angels National Forest. And wow, what a contrast from the night before.
Yeah, it was 34. We had to sleep on top of sleeping bags in Death Valley, and we got here. My bike indicated 7 degrees Celsius, and it was cold. Yeah, we did the mummy routine. Looking at maps, we're going to aim to go over the Angel Crest Highway. It is warming up. It is a big, beautiful blue sky above us. We got to get Stephanie some fuel as always, and then we're just going to take our time and look at all the lookouts if we can, because we have all day to travel. An hour.
Matt's house.
Yeah.
So we're going to go see our buddy Matt.
So excited. It's been far too long. Matt's our adventure buddy. He came with us most notably to Vietnam twice. He's up for a game. He's a really enthusiastic motorcyclist, an awesome gentleman, and we hope to introduce you to him, and he's invited us to all go for a ride on the weekend.
So yeah, catch you later.
Good afternoon.
Hi!
We're atop Angel Crest Highway. I absolutely love this. It's called Highway number 2 in California. It is above LA. It splits kind of the area in half. We stopped at this really cool viewpoint up here actually because there's some other motorcyclists. It turned into an epic bench race conversation. It was spectacular. We met a gentleman who owns a small company who builds aftermarket accessory motorcycle parts. His name's Charlie.
He runs PSR.
Yeah, he and one of his ex-employees were up here hooning it around on a Tuesday, and we bumped into another gentleman that we'd seen farther down the valley named Alex, and what a hoot. We just had a great conversation, ended up knowing some people jointly, Misty first. And the canyon is always breathtaking and always worth the stop. Had a bit of a snack as well. And
Leftovers from last night. Woohoo!
Budget travel. Anyway, the bikes are almost ready to go. Chomping at the bit. They haven't done hardly any riding today.
But it's been a great day.
It's been an awesome day. The weather broke. Up here was apparently just crap yesterday. Windy, dark, foggy, rainy, who knows what. But the power bill was paid. We got nothing but sunshine.
Yay.
Off we go. We're going to go find Matt.
Woo. Good morning, guys. We have safely arrived at our buddy Matt's house, and I'm just cooking up a breakfast scramble here. Scott's out cleaning the bikes.
I'm just going to get Stephanie's bike all stripped down here so I can wash it as well. It's getting a new front tire. We're going to be checking the oils, servicing chains, going over the bikes, make sure anything is good. Mine, the handguards need a little bit of sorting out. It did fall over. But yeah, that's about it for bike maintenance, I would think.
Got the kickstand off. Not a huge difference, but when you look at them, one straight, then it looks kind of like a banana. And that's enough to cause the bike to lean a little bit extra, and then it'll lead to fatigue. So just to play it safe, I'm going to put a new one on.
Swapping out the kickstand.
This is the way we clean our chain. That's not the way I normally do it. But.
Then we got the twin here, nice and clean. We've got some oil changes planned while we're here. And I need a new front tire. Want to come?
I think you need a tire. Your oil actually looks really not bad at all.
Check this out. Yeah, there's not much knobbies there left anymore. She pretty worn. Ain't she there, bud?
Sunny. And Sunny is a good boy. He's got a happy tail, and he likes to give kisses.
Want to be a YouTube star, buddy? Such a good boy. He is. Come on.
This is it. We have been working on our video all morning. Scott did a lot of the work while I got my workout in, and we're about to launch episode 1.
We'll become YouTubers. Good YouTubers? I don't know. Crappy?
The video is published. We're live.
Do we click Facebook?
Well, as many of you noticed, my hair is ridiculous. So we're going to make it even more so. But because a haircut's a tank of gas, we're going to do it ourselves. The scene of the crime. We're going to make a mess of Matt's backyard. He's an absolute prince. He's hooked us up with this really awesome spot. And we just got to make sure we don't piss off Chewy too bad. Chewy's a very defensive dachshund, and he's the actual guard dog. I think Sunny would give the whole show away.
Morning, darling.
Morning.
Morning, YouTubers.
Morning. What do we think? Hey, stud.
You talking to him?
Talking doggies?
This one's for you, Tom. Look at the color on that thing. Oh boy, I'm getting all nostalgic and stuff. So instead of slowing down to wait for Stephanie, we've come up with a second plan. What do you think? Good plan? Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Have a good night.
Pet on the dog.
Well, guys, we thought we would take a break from editing and get out of the house and walk the monsters. They're having lots of fun.
Monsters.
Plus, it's lovely out. Me and Chewy. out on the town. I am going to try and get in a little workout while we're here at Matt's house because he's got a great home gym and I am definitely missing going to the gym. I usually go twice a week. You're giving Scott a hard time.
Yeah, she's being silly.
You're giving Scott a hard time.
She was like focusing so intently on what was going on.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. Scott's just working on some editing. And today we have a fun day planned around the LA location.
Go ride. Let's go for breakfast.
Food.
Guys, we've made it to Lake Hughes, California. We're at the Rock Inn. No bikes here at all. We're gonna have breakfast! Well, we're hoping to get breakfast, but we're a little late. Looks like it's burger time.
We in the States, something better than a good burger.
Good burger. Poor little dude.
Just want to give our good buddy Matt Kendall a huge shout out for taking us for a tour today. And the highlight for me personally was Highway 33. Brand new pavement, lots of turns and twists. And I don't know, we said something funny earlier, but I don't remember what it was.
Get out and go for a ride.
Yeah. And if you can, buy yourself a good burger.
Attack of the wiener!
Nothing better than getting your wieners out for a run. Wieners loose on the streets. Silly wieners.
Thumbs up for editing.